Alright, round two. GoPro keeps saying that battery's low. I don't know what the hell's going on with this thing. I actually kind of hate GoPros because ever since I've got them, they've been glitching. But anyway, delivery day. Got some stuff for the bike. Got some gear. So if anybody had any comments on what it was gonna be, like I said, it was 20 bucks. Anybody guessed, but honestly, ain't nobody guessed. So that's kind of depressing. But anyway. Gonna just do this live and open it here at my quad lock Allen wrench thing. Open up my box. Mr. Resourceful. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Shoot. What do we have here? What do we have? Oh, shit. Okay. Okay. See, I'm probably not going to use any of these stickers, but, you know, that's pretty gas. I like that, so I'm not really going to use any. But, oh, it's here, man. It's here. Alright, hold on. Let's set this down. Let me go ahead and lift this out of here. Oh, man. I think I got more stickers. Jesus Christ. Alright. Alright. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 46. Winter Test 2005. AGV. Let's open her up. Oh my goodness, bro. Alright, we're switching GoPros because the other one keeps being gay. So, oh my goodness, bro. With the checkered box, bro. Ain't no way. Bro, and it comes with a smoke visor. Bro, what? Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Okay, hold on. Because I thought I was going to have to get a visor. Alright, let's see this here. Limited edition. Bro, this is... Oh my goodness. This is like... Camelback. Big bite valve. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got a little knickknacks in here. A little sticker. I'll open all that up in a second. Another bag. Oh. Some pads, some extra pads and stuff. Okay. Let's see what this is down here. Fog resistant lens. So I'm guessing, oh, the pin lock. Bro, I was not expecting to get all this in here, bro. I was not expecting that. I've never bought a helmet online from Cycle Gear. Both helmets that I've ever had, I bought them in stores, so, but obviously this is a nice helmet, so, alright, anyway, let's go ahead and open some of this up. Looks like little accessory pieces and stuff like that for the water system, I'm guessing. This helmet literally comes with earplugs. Okay, 3M earplugs, which is probably not a bad idea if you're riding. I mean, if you're listening to music, obviously you can't really rock that, but yeah, little things like that. I don't know what this little bottle is for. Silicone odor visor mechanism. It's a little bottle here. That's cool, I guess. A little AGV sticker. So, sheesh. Ain't no way. Alright. A bunch of little instructional packets, but I'm more interested in seeing this Camelback thing. Yeah, so it's a big bite valve, because this is a helmet that does have a snorkel on it, basically. And this is a preview of the helmet, although I don't have this color. This is not the color of the helmet that I've got, but it is an AGV Pista GPRR. That's my little user manual. Sick. That is so freaking sick. Alright, so now let's open up this envelope. Okay, I don't know, I'm excited about this envelope because it just says limited. You know what? Sometimes I just drop stuff, you know what I mean? Alright, limited edition. Alright. Alright, here it is, a little letter. Winter edition, 2005. And this is some kind of, oh, it's just everything on the website, pretty much, that said for the victory of 2005 and stuff, for the helmet and stuff. So, nice little envelope, nice little letter, basically like a authenticity type of deal. But I'll just go ahead and close that back up. So, anyway, so the helmet literally comes with earplugs. Alright, so on to the good stuff. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the silhouette of this thing. The spoiler. Alright, let's go ahead and move this box. Alright, here she is. So, go ahead and set this down here. So just say AGV up top there. Veil 46. Now I'm gonna open it. I'm hella excited. Like, words can't express, man. I'm super excited. Oh man. Oh my goodness, bro. This is so clean. Bro, this shit's so clean. Oh, this is gas. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Holy shit. We did it. We did it. We got the Winter Sports 2005, or the Winter Test, whatever the hell. Limited edition helmet. Don't worry, it's a silica packet. Literally has like, it's a washing laundry detergent like helmet. It's just the funniest thing. It's just the coolest thing. But yeah, made in Italy, Rossi. Comes with the clear visor, and then it's gonna have the smoke visor, which I didn't realize it was gonna come with. But this has a pro spoiler on it, so you can see the spoiler here. This is for the increased aerodynamics of the helmet. Here's the water thing that I was talking about, so you can actually hook up water and drink through your helmet while you ride. It's 100% carbon fiber. The vision on this, I will 100% say, at 85 degrees and 190 for the look, you know, right to left. It is, oh my god, it is so nice. Like, way better than any other helmet that I've ever seen. So, yeah, here she is, man. This thing is beautiful. Absolutely love this. Absolutely love this helmet. Worth every dollar. Limited edition number 267 of 2005. And this is the Winter Test 2005 helmet, so they only made 2005 models. So, not very many people have these. I'm sure it's a decent amount of people. I mean, 2005 people, but most people are not going to have it because it's this, you know, and the sizing too. I think they only made 2005 examples for all the sizes. I'm trying to set this down, but yeah, the Rossi Pista GPRR helmet, bruh. If I'd have ever seen this in the store, I would have been all over it. But I had to order it online, so here it is. One last look of the helmet. Absolutely love this. absolutely love this. Probably gonna take it to Cycle Gear and have them put on the smoke visor for me. So she'll probably go back in the box and I'll probably do that. But dude, sick ass helmet. Absolutely love this. This helmet is, yeah, well over $1,000. Yeah, not a cheap helmet if anybody's wondering. But yeah, she's beautiful, and I could not be happier. I don't know, this thing, I just I don't know. My gear is getting real close to complete here. I'm definitely all about having good, protective, lightweight. Having a lightweight helmet's going to help you, so there's not a lot of strain on your neck. Because when you're full tuck and you're looking up, that pivot point on the back of your neck and your shoulder, your trap area, you know, it'll hurt over time. But anyway, yeah, I'm probably not even going to do a helmet mount on this. I'm probably going to switch up the GoPro mount, figure out another way, because I don't want to stick anything to this. I don't know, this is just such a nice helmet. But yeah, Winter Test 2005, one of 2005 examples, specifically, again, number 267. She's beautiful.